At Ciocca Subaru, we're committed to giving every customer the best car buying experience. And when it comes to servicing your vehicle, our standards are just as high. There are two ways to get great Ciocca service: in the main dealership service department or at our Express Service Center. Both are conveniently located on Hamilton Boulevard in Allentown, and both are fully equipped to provide everything you need for your Subaru and all vehicle makes and models. For your convenience, you can set your appointment online by going to cioccasubaru.com and clicking the Service tab. And of course, you can always call our friendly staff to set up your appointment. For major repairs, choose the Ciocca Subaru Service Department. At your designated time, simply pull into the service entrance on Hamilton Boulevard, where the doors will automatically open, welcoming you into our arrival center. A friendly associate will greet you and confirm your appointment. Just a few steps away, you'll meet with a Ciocca advisor who will go over all the details of your appointment. Loaner vehicles are available. Please let our staff know when you initially set your service appointment, and when you arrive, please have your insurance card and driver's license on hand. If you are waiting for your vehicle, we have a comfortable waiting area featuring snacks and complimentary beverages for your convenience. For more routine service such as oil changes, tire rotations, AC maintenance, and more, choose the Ciocca Express Service Department, where our goal is to get you in, out, and on your way fast, 7 days a week. In both cases, you can rest assured that your vehicle will be well taken care of by our certified technicians and back to you as quickly as possible. We take your convenience and satisfaction very seriously, so please feel free to let us know we met and hopefully exceeded your expectations. Thank you for trusting us with all your vehicle needs here at Ciocca Subaru and Ciocca Express Service.